So they sit down with the drug companies. They say, look, we have hundreds of thousands of people who are going to use your drug. We're going to sit down and we're going to negotiate a price, right?
Right. Of course, certainly after a few months, you should be able to see the averages and make a good business choice. Yeah.
Right. I mean, if you're a businessman and you're buying something from me, you're buying, thousands of items, I'm going to have to give you a discount if I want your business, right?
Certainly.
All right. That's the way the business works. So that's what every country on earth does. They sit down with the drug companies. Some do it more stringently than others. Up until very, very recently, there have been no requirements, zero, for the drug companies to negotiate anything. So they come in and they say, they have the board. What do you think we can get, Harry? Sitting around their board of directors. Well, actually, I think you can get $10,000 a year. I think you can go high. I think you can get $20,000. Look, we get what the market will bear. The government has no power. Wow. Charge them anything you want. That's what they do. So you got now, it's not just Ozempic, in which we pay in some cases 15 times more than European countries. It's all kinds of drugs. So the answer to your question is, up until recently, and the Biden administration has done a good job of this, there have been no capabilities of the government, Medicare, anybody else, to negotiate prices. They charge you anything they want and as much as they possibly can. What we did is part of a bill called the Inflation Reduction Act, stupid title to the bill, but that's what it was, finally have that the drug companies are going to have to sit down with Medicare and negotiate prices. They're going to be announcing some interesting results pretty soon. So for the first time, there is the beginning of negotiating prices, and it will lower prices. Second of all, what we've done on my committee, a lot of people have asthma, and they use inhalers. I don't know if you know anybody using an asthma inhaler.
Yeah.
All right. 10 times more expensive in the United States. Well, we kind of shamed some of the big companies. They lowered it down to, some of them, to $35. So making some progress on lowering the cost of prescription drugs. But to answer your question, up until a couple of years ago, drug companies could charge any price they wanted for any reason.